Welcome to ELECTRO-TECH UG. Yeah, we are excited to introduce to you our IoT-powered smart agriculture monitoring system. I want you to imagine a future where farms are not just fields, but smart ecosystems that respond to the needs of your crops. Yeah, I'm here to empower farmers to optimize crop yields, conserve resources, and achieve sustainable farming practices. For those who don't know what IoT means, it's Internet of Things, and it's a network of physical devices that are embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity, which allows them to collect and share data. So you will need the following. You will need ESP32, which usually has a built-in Wi-Fi module which will help in wireless communication. You will need a suitable power supply for the ESP board and as well for the sensors. You will need a cloud platform. Most of the times we use ThinkSpeak or AWS IoT, which can help us store and analyze this data. You will need a pH sensor for measuring the pH level of the soil solution. Remember, optimal pH levels are essential for plant health and nutrient absorption. We also have a temperature and humidity sensor for measuring ambient temperature and humidity levels in the environment. We also have a soil moisture sensor that measures the moisture content of the soil. When this moisture level falls below a certain threshold, for example, we are using 0%, it will trigger the watering system. This watering system is connected to the relay that is programmed and controlled by the ESP. So in case of 0%, the pump will pump water in the reservoir tank that will be used for watering your garden or your farm. Since the system is IoT, you have to set up a cloud platform and configure it to receive and store sensor data. And we have also designed a mobile application that will help to display sensor data, trigger alerts, and control the watering system. Our future developments will include integration with AI and machine learning for predictive analytics, like use of drones for crop spraying, integration with blockchain technology. With that said, I encourage everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more innovative projects, and I also want you to like, comment, and share this video to a wider audience. We are also looking into providing a DIY tutorial or open source. Thank you. I will try to see you in the next one.